We've been there 35 years. We had a similar thing in 203, but not quite. Well, we coped with that okay. This time it's just sort of gone up and up and up, and horrendous here into the conservatory, and then we're built up about 30 inches above supposedly the flood plain, but it's just gone above that.
Our tasking was obviously security and to check. So in this area alone, we've cleared 2 or 3 streets door to door. We've spoken to the residents, we've spoken to neighbours, we've spoken to establish who's in the properties, what conditions they're in, whether they need emergency evacuation or whether they may become an emergency evacuation later on down the line.